In this session, we will discuss about the exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors, so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. Now we will see what is exception in Java. The dictionary meaning of exception is abnormal condition. Abnormal condition in Java. An exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. It is the object which is thrown at runtime. What is exception handling? The exception handling is a mechanism to handle the runtime errors such as class not found, IO exception, SQL exception, then remote exception, out of bound, string out of bound index exception, etc. The advantages of exception handling is first one is the core advantages of exception handling is to maintain the application. That is why we need to handle exception. Let's consider one scenario. Suppose there are 10 statements in Java program, and an exception occurs at the statement 5. The rest of code will not be executed. That is statement 6 to 10 will not be executed due to error. However, when we perform exception handling, the rest of the statement will be executed. That is why we use exception handling in the Java. Types of Java exceptions are following. There are mainly two types of exception, which are checked and unchecked. An error is considered as an unchecked exception. However, according to the Oracle, there are three types of exception. First one is the checked exception, second one is the unchecked exception, and third one is the error. Now we will see one by one. Checked exception means the class that directly inherit the throwable class here, except runtime exception and error are known as checked exception. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. It checked at compile time exception. Then we have second one is unchecked exception. The class that inherit the runtime exception are known as unchecked exception. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, etc. Then next one is and last one is error. Error is irrecoverable. For example, out of memory error, virtual machine error, etc. So that is all about the exception handling in Java. Thank you.